All right, so let's break down this whole Butter by Keba situation that's been popping up in ads everywhere. You've probably seen those eye-catching promotions showing massive discounts on GPUs, outdoor gear, and even riding lawnmowers. At first glance, it looks like an unbelievable deal, but once you start digging, things get strange really fast. For starters, when you search the name online, it takes you to a completely different site that sells personal care products and fragrances. That's already a weird disconnect, considering the ads are promoting high tech electronics and heavy duty equipment. The store itself mainly lists pet supplies, comfort products for pets, and random household items. Then suddenly, out of nowhere, it's pushing expensive GPUs and outdoor machinery. That mismatch alone is a huge warning sign, but it gets more suspicious. The branding doesn't even match. The logo on the website says Butterbee, but the domain name is KBA, which makes absolutely no sense for a business that's supposedly selling premium electronics. When a brand can't even keep its own identity consistent, it's usually a good indicator that the operation isn't legit or is being thrown together without any real credibility behind it. Then there's the pricing. Anyone who's shopped for GPUs knows these items do not drop hundreds of dollars below normal retail prices unless something sketchy is going on. Trusted stores like Newegg or Best Buy never sell brand new RTX cards at prices that low. So when a random unknown site does it, you should assume it's not real. Deep discounts on new electronics are one of the biggest scam patterns online. Even Reddit users have been talking about it, pointing out how strange it is to see pet products mixed with gaming gear. That combination doesn't make sense, and it raises even more questions about what the site is actually doing. Some people believe the website might be using paid ads, fake reviews, or random SEO tricks just to funnel traffic into a store that doesn't actually have the products it claims to sell. So the bottom line is this: if you're thinking about buying anything from them, be extremely cautious. The chance of receiving the wrong item or receiving nothing at all is very high. When a website is brand new, inconsistent, and offering unrealistic prices, it's usually because the goal is to take your money before disappearing. Always trust your instincts, especially when a deal looks way too good to be true. Stay alert, double check every seller, and stick with reputable stores that have real reviews, real customer support, and real track records. Your money and personal information are worth protecting, so never rush into a purchase just because an ad looks appealing.